Hey guys, I'm Zara, and today I'm playing Ragdoll. All Engine. Literally what the game is called. Yeah, I drawn my character. You probably already know that because it's at the first start. Oh, you don't need to see the, I don't know. Chat. Yeah, you don't need to see the chat. There might be a lot of weird people who use chats. No, I'm not saying that all of them. But why is there a lot of copy and paste in Ragdoll? I'm not hating them, but so it's like, you know what? When it's like in this one in server, I was at my mom's phone. Oh, I don't want to push her. And then my I was playing Ragdoll. Wait, it's not my dad's computer. I was playing Ragdoll. There's this rude slender. Yes, the boy was gonna be slender. Girls copy and paste. Where am I? Was it too high? This is too high in extreme. Man, I would be so scared of that. That's hella high. Okay, I don't know what to do. But that girl looked like she suffered more. Yeah, she suffered more. This video is not gonna be short today, even though my game's lag. Stop lagging. I'll shoot this game. No, I'm not Karen. Where am I?
Through this name system again, then I can just go right back to her and just start talking in the
Doll.
name system by changing my
Whee! Okay.
name. Then she won't focus on the name in the chat that's talking to her. You know what I mean? Because if I talk in the chat, she'll see that it's not her daughter. She's probably pretty close to her daughter at this point. Oh God, okay. Lots of secret investigation. So she's right there. The fake, the real baby is right there, and I need to take her over here. I've already muted her. All right, there. She is now gone. Oh God, how did she get back there? All right, let me respawn her. All right. Help! All right, I'm back. I'm back. I got locked out. Okay. Hi, mommy. I can't talk. It won't let me. Okay, then get ready for school. We will go. Okay. All right. So now I
Where's
gotta
the
get some
staircase?
weapons in here.
I mean,
This game
I
has
see
some
the
very
staircase
little weapons.
at my dad's computer and it's my mom's phone too.
Whoops. All right. Now I'm gonna hide that from her. All right. Now I'm gonna say yay, and Alex would be like, she had a win. She really had one. But I really didn't. School time. So I'm much gonna make everyone look crazy. Mom, sis was trying to kill me. Half bullies? This guy, half bullies. I only halfway bullies. No, I did no such thing. No, don't
I'm
do
a
that.
pause. My
I'm
game was
so
lagging.
excited. Oh, we just were on our way to school. Oh, well,
Okay.
mommy's gonna go crash into
I'm
the mountain.
here, so
We're
I'm
gonna go
gonna
to school now. Alright, you know what
go
I'm actually gonna
kill
do?
myself.
That's probably a little messed
This
up,
is
but
danger.
I'm
Don't do
gonna
this
take
in real life.
the original person into the boys' bathroom. Oh God. Okay. Well. Oh God.
I need to press stall.
Wait. How'd you get a car? All right. Now you're stuck in here. I own you. Your soul is mine. You can't talk. They think I'm you. Okay.
Watching Flamingo.
Die! 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 Now, Mom will actually never know. Her
Okay.
mom just decides to show up in my life. Oh, look, it's Mom. Yes. I'm literally, you're thinking everyone thinks that they're crazy. We are waiting for your sister to finish, okay? Ooh, I got some really bad news. Okay, I'll wait. We're gonna be waiting quite some time. I don't know if Allison's gonna react well to this news.
Oh no.
I'm gonna just go do my thing while we wait. Oh God, don't run over your only child.
We can see a lot more color than
Not your
human.
only child.
What?
You sure do have another one.
What the color will be?
Wait! Did just try to run me over.
Oh.
Where are you going?
I
Nowhere.
don't know.
Like in life in general, I'm going
I'm
nowhere.
stupid.
Wait, what? Oh god, Alex is back. Oh no. What I did. Wait for me. Alright, I gotta, you guys know I have to do this. Where's the rocket? Mom, sister's trying to kill me at school. What? That does not sound like me. She's killer. They are lying, Mom. Want me to go to jail. Well, let's go home. Alright, yeah.
Oh, it's just
That
a
little
place.
sword
Oh, I'm
thing got
so
her out of her
stupid. I
seat.
forgot it's
I'm
here.
running away because of her. Oh god. Mom! I didn't mean to. Look what she did. You. No, Mom. Your arm. How are you gonna hold me? How are you gonna me now? Don't believe her. Don't give in to her lies. You know what? Mom, you're dead. Any last words, Mom? Hey, I'm not having you as my child. No, we are dead. We are dead. No!
Okay.
Graveyard. I am sending you here. All right, you are going to this graveyard by Jeff the Killer himself. Come back here, Mother. Come back. Run. No, you can run too, and you can run faster. Die, woman. No, get back. Die. She has been defeated. Well, guys, that's life.
I like this.
One. Not even yourself, because yourself could turn out to be like this. Are you a fan? Who are you talking to? Are you a fan of Dennis? Who are you talking to? I'm gonna ruin this guy's life. You're going down, Mouse Man Jeff. I'm you now. Well, I'm you now, and I'm going to ruin your life. Okay.
This is kind of fun.
To slander you. Hey, it's me, Mouse Man Jeff, and I'm going to set the adoption center on fire. And you're watching the Disney Channel, and you're watching Mouse Man Jeff. I'm Mouse Man Jeff, and I'm going to kill my wife. What? Just follow me. Hey, I'm Mouse Man Jeff. This woman here, and you're watching Mouse Man Jeff. Hi, brother. I like you. Mike! Well, it's no longer his brother. What? I'm Mouse Man Jeff. Hey, Super. It's me, Mouse Man Jeff. I have a crush on you.
Okay, so I'm
He
gonna.
loves me back. Thunderman. And I'm Mouse Man Jeff, and I like you. Wait, why am I so much
What am I
taller
saying?
than-
I forgot.
I'm
Okay.
literally
Oh yes, I was
almost
too
size.
focusing
I
on
am the
Albert's video.
superior Mouse Man Jeff. Watch as I ruin you. Hey, Jack, you like her? We're right there.
Oh yeah, guys. So that's the end of the video, and you can like and subscribe to me if you want to. And I'm gonna end it here.
You are a suck.
Bye, guys. Love
Hey,
you,
Mouse Man
fans.
Jeff.
Not those
Why am I
stupid
doing
haters.
Alright, I made him say
Okay.
this right here. Nah, that's you.
Bye.
No, I am Mouse